Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you two methods of making very crunchy and delicious coconut buns. Without any further ado, let's get started. I am Rosie. You are welcome to my kitchen. For this recipe, I will be using shredded coconut, fresh coconut, coconut oil, eggs, butter, milk, salt, baking powder, dried ginger, vanilla extract, lemon zest. Here I have the coconut cracked and I have taken out the skin already. And I have the coconut cut into smaller pieces so it will be easy for the blender to work. Into a large bowl, measure out 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Add sugar, shredded coconut, baking powder, salt, dried ginger, and whisk the dry ingredients together till everything is well combined. In another bowl, crack in 2 eggs, add vanilla extract and milk. I'll add half cup of milk to mix that and whisk it till it is well combined. And that is done, and I'll put that aside. Into the dry ingredients, I will add in butter. And I will use a pastry blender to blend it together. You can also use your hand to do this as well. Create a whirl into the bowl. Add in the wet ingredients and mix until it is well combined. Add milk gradually until you get the right consistency. The Buns batter should not be too thick and it should not be too light. Once the batter is nicely mixed, take out the spatula and leave it to rest for about 10 minutes before frying. Next, into the pan, I'll be adding some coconut oil. I'll be using coconut oil to fry. You can use any oil of your choice. And I will use a skewer to test if the oil is hot. And at this point, the oil is hot. So I will go ahead to wash my hands. I am going to be working with my hands. Scoop in the buns batter and you can cut into your desired size. I'm frying on medium heat. I want to say a big thank you to my new and my returner subscribers. Thank you all so much. And don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. Also put on the notification bell and turn it to all notifications so you get notified each time I upload any new video. Use a skewer to flip them around. Once they are golden brown, take them out of the oil and I'll be transferring them into a paper towel napkin. And that is done. So I will turn off the stove at this point. And the second method, add the cut coconut into a blender, add some water, and I'm going to be blending it until it is very smooth. And that is done. In a large bowl, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, add sugar, baking powder, salt, and mix the dry ingredients together. You can adjust the sugar and salt to your taste. And for this, I will be using the zest of 1 lemon for flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice like nutmeg, cinnamon, but for today, I am using lemon zest, just the zest without the white part of the lemon. And that is done. Mix and create a well in the bowl and add in 2 eggs. Add the blended coconut. Add coconut oil and mix it together. And all the ingredients used in this video, they are at room temperature. They are not cold. Mix it till everything is well combined. Add water till you get the right consistency. So once it's nicely mixed, take out the spatula and leave it to rest for about 10 minutes. And at this point, I have gone to put on the oil again. So once the oil is hot, scoop in the batter and fry. And the list of ingredients used in this video will be in the description box below. Feel free to check it out. Flip, and once they are golden brown, you take them out of the oil. You want to take them out a shade to the shade you're looking for, because they continue to change color even when they are no longer in the oil. And I'm putting them into the paper towel to drain out the excess oil. And the buns is ready. So here I have both of the buns here. This one that is very, very crunchy is the one I made with the fresh coconut. And it was super, super delicious, very crunchy and moist inside it. And the second one is the one I made with the shredded coconut. It was crunchy and super delicious and moist inside it as well. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.